good, everybody? How is everybody doing today? For me, it is quite moist. Moister than an oyster, ladies and gents. We have just had a tropical cyclone run through the north of the country. And the cyclone was so big that the tippy top of Australia on the west side, that's where it was, and even us all the way down the south of the continent felt it, and we felt it hard to the point where it was extremely inconvenient. And on top of just that, there was high winds, a lot of rain, and yeah, it just ripped up a bunch of stuff. Like, there's places where there's no power in the city because the winds were that strong that they've knocked over power poles and what have you. So it's going to be interesting. I'm on my way, just commuting to class, but it's gonna be interesting to see if there's actually gonna be a class due to the fact that some parts of the city are powerless, and they're gonna be powerless for a little bit. So yeah, should be interesting to see. And as usual, there's a light traffic over here, which is surprising due to the fact that it's school holidays and a lot of people have left the damn city to go on their little trips with their little rugrats and what have you. So I'm kind of surprised that there's even a slowage of traffic over here. But I don't know, man. This is one of those weird spots. F***ing caravans. Ass bigger than anything else. Really hard to filter around those. Which is oddly surprising considering you can filter next to these kind of road trains and, well, like longer trucks, like, which is odd considering you think they would be wider / bigger than a caravan, but no, caravans are just big. They're like retardedly big. God damn. But I guess traffic could also be due to the fact that it's raining, and I've noticed in general, I don't know if it's like that for you guys wherever y'all are, but it seems like people seem to lose a chromosome when there's a little bit of water on the road. They forget how to drive in the wet, which is a little bit annoying. Like, it's fun to drive slow, that's cool, wet roads and all, but good God, it's like a goldfish. They can only do one thing at a time, and then they forget what they're doing that time. So we're going to be getting close to uni. I'm just going to zip and I'll pick this back up when, yeah, I'm done with class, considering I'm going to be a few minutes late. So yeah, should be interesting. So yeah, pick this up later. Dokey. So, what I was talking about was, yeah, definitely a bit of an oversight on my smooth brain part. Now, what is happening was, it was last weekend was the Easter long weekend, and we got a 4-day public holiday, a Friday and a Monday, right? Which was, well, Monday that just went past. So it's a observed university holiday. So I was just like, alright, sweet. I don't need to show up to class because there won't be any class. And what I forgot to realize, oh, excuse me, I'm gassed up for some reason. Yeah, what I forgot to realize was, usually when it comes to public holidays, they give you a whole week off. Especially for Easter. Easter is one of those ones where they just give you the entirety of the week off. And well, yeah boy, forgot about that. And before, well, I didn't check the academic calendar just to confirm that yesterday, which kind of sucky ducky ducked, but you know what, I gotta get out of the house on the bike again, so I don't mind. The only inconvenience part is the fact that it freaking rained on me. Those big clouds just there. Rendo on the mio. So yeah, I didn't realize that the entirety of the week was off, including today. So your boy rolled up to class, well, rolled up to university, and I was just like, it's extremely quiet today. Like, I mean, yeah, it's coming close to mid-semester. Half the students don't really show up to class because, you know, they just work from home, especially with weather like this. They don't, yeah, it's just a massive inconvenience. But yeah, that wasn't the case this time around. So I rolled up to class and it was dark. The room was blacked out. I was just like, what the heck is going on here? So I started walking back to the bike, got absolutely drenched. And the bike got drenched, which is fine. She needs a bit of a clean, so once this weather buggers off, I can give her a proper detail and maintenance and all that stuff, because I do also need to change oils and all that kind of things. So yeah, rolled up to class, no one was there, and I was just like, what the heck's going on? I popped up, well, I sat down and was like, pulled up the academic calendar, looked at it, and I'm like, oh right. So with the Easter long weekend, they've given the entirety of the week off, so it's a tuition-free week, and I was just like, bruh, I'm about to flip out my smooth ass. Didn't realize that. Well, I do now. But in saying that, I mean, gotta get out for a bit of a jolly ride. Yeah, it's a little bit wet and all that stuff, but I don't mind riding in the rain, as I've done that for commuting to and from work for a little while now. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a video, and I will catch y'all on the flip side in the next one. So thank you for watching. Love y'all to bits. For the OG viewers, thank you for continuous support. With the new viewers, you know the drill, everyone says this. Smack that sub, smack that like, if you like my content and want to see more. I usually do moto vlogs, group rides and stuff like that, how to install videos whenever I get new parts, because there's still a lackluster amount of information as to how to install shit for the Street Fighter. But it's a slowly growing area, so it's kind of good. But any hoozles, I'm gonna, yeah, enjoy this little bit of sun before the next wave of rain comes in. So yeah, peace, ride safe, and always